Alright, welcome back. Today we are gonna watch basketball. How do you explain it? It's a league, Filipino league.
Filipino.
For all the Filipinos in the Faroe Island, they made a league. They play every Sunday. I think it's 3 games every time. So let's go and take a look.
Home is wherever we go.
Life across oceans, life across oceans. Ikaw ako at tatlong daughters. Life across oceans, life across oceans. Laging family, laging together. Life across oceans, life across oceans.
Mahal sa Pinas,
Mahal sa islands. Life across oceans, life across oceans.
our little channel, our brighter eyes.
Let's go inside. Aha. All right, here it is. Huh? Where do you want to sit? Hello. Hello, hello.
Yan na tita. Day, isuot pa niya isa day. Wala na ko ito nakitaan.
Yung ganyan ko siya. Oh, kita mo na. Nagalit ka kanina. Oh, salamat. Sabi mo, ganoon po na day nitik. Man po na day. Sabi ko, hindi, mura lang yan. Sabi ko. Sabi niya, Edwin, hindi ko na po. Ah, yan. 100 plus siguro. Sabi ko, mga ganun na yan. Kulang-kulang kay Mandy yan. Sabi niya,
This is the referee for the match. How are you?
Number 14. Penalty na daw. Penalty na. Mag-verify na ako. Mel, agam mo sila. Mel. Mark, hindi na rin.
Oh, what is it?
ay ganito.
Ah.
Siomai.
Oh, yes, just quick.
Kain.
Thank you, love. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Let's try this one. Are you ready for the next game? Huh? Are you? Huh? Are you ready for the next game? Huh?
Ha?
Okay, let's match. So the next game will start now. So let's watch. Are you ready? Are you ready? So this is the team where from Runawick, where we live. This is the team that they are from same place where we live. So maybe this is gonna be our favorite team. Let's see. Alright, the game is about to start, I think.
Ali, bawa bola Ali. Ali dinasai. Ini dengan Joel. 10 seconds to shoot. Bisa kemenangan Andres. Bola dari gol di Joel. Joel merasa dinasai. Aldo. Bola. Bawa bola Ali. Dinasai apa? 15 seconds to shoot. Wala, nakibang number 7. Kinasay number 27. Nick Igo. Foul! Number 30. First personal foul, Dustin Foul. Unang pitro, wala. Wala pitro, wala. Number 20, Apat. Apa dia? Ini dulu, wala. Ali. 9 dos. Wala, ano ba Yusef? Yusef, mistake pa? Wala. Dari ko niya Arnold, kasama din niya Arnold, on the board. Wala. Dari ko ni dito. Tumira na. Wala, ano na Berarti. Wala, ano na ba sabi? Ano ba yung bisa? Kinasaya Alvin. Tumira, tos. Isi ko po ako kaya Alvin. Yusef, foul.
What are you eating?
Number 9, foul.
Ah, quick. What is this?
Get that coffee.
Foul.
Coffee?
Kain mo tayo.
Iced coffee?
Yeah.
Even in the middle of this.
Oh!
Boy! Number 19 na pakukuha ng bola. Number 19. Pinasa sa number 27. Wala. Foul. Number 28.
Yeah.
How are you, Dida?
Mar.
How are you? Hey?
Watching basket.
Yeah.
Martin. Dos. Each move point by Martin. Coco Martin.
So there's a timeout now. And we also need a timeout here. Yeah.
Mister, ang dami mong na ano? Nabenta.
Ano, may uniform ka na daw.
Dito kasi yung bata. Alangan nang pagalawin ko yung bata.
Back to the ball. Bola shot ko, bola shot. Ng number.
Selfie time.
Ngayon, hindi na kumain.
Walang Pedro. Yes. Ulit na naman.
Sayang!
So kami dito sa mansion niya.
May pasok.
Ay, tara. Sige, buksan mo lang. Huwag nang katok-katok. Tao po!
Hello.
Hi guys! Tara na! Hi ako!
Should I pick you up?
Hi!
Hey, Yakit! Hi, Mas! May pasok!
Say hi, Sai! Hi! Hi, Elizabeth!
Baba, we pick you up? Hi, vlog! Hi, vlog! Kasi nag-vlog ka na?
Mag-vlogging na kami.
Ako naman, trabaho lang ang ginawa.
Kami, love. Ito pala yung bahay ng cousin ko. Oo, bagay na ako. Diba ang yaman-yaman niya?
Gandang bahay.
Ganda ng bahay niya.
Ito pala ang kasin kong mayaman talaga sa totoong buhay.
Ayan, magiging mayaman.
Ito.
Ay!
Ito. Ito pinabili mo kaya, no?
Oo. Ito kasi mga ano yan.
Wow, sana all!
Hi, vlog! Hi, vlog!
Sana ko
May mic pa yan, T. Nagbili kang mic, eh.
Sequence.
Dalawa naman ako kasi.
Pwede ako naglagay niyan. Ako naglagay nito.
Mag-away kayo. Magsusumat kayo.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this video with us today. And please like and subscribe. And see you in the next one. Goodbye.